Want to split your video into multiple clips automatically and without any editing tools? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that using bookoly.com's Split a Video into Scenes feature. We use make.com as our automation platform and run the splitting process through the Bookoly app behind the scenes. This workflow is perfect for repurposing content, creating short clips, or preparing segments for Reels and social media. In this example, we use Google Drive to manage our input and output files. We'll create two folders, a folder called Videos, where we drop the video files we want to split, a second folder called Clips, where the resulting video scenes will be uploaded automatically. As soon as we add a new video to the Videos folder, make.com triggers the automation, sends the video to Bookoly, waits for the result, and uploads all clips to the Clips folder. Let's build the automation step by step. Inside make.com, choose the Google Drive app and select the module Watch Files in a Folder. This will trigger the scenario whenever a new video file is added. Select the Videos folder you created in Google Drive that should be watched for new files. For file types to watch, select All. For Limit, set it to 1 to only process one video at a time. When asked choose where to start, select From Now On. Next, add another Google Drive module and choose Get a Share Link. This ensures Bookoly can access the video file. Map the file ID from the previous Google Drive module into the file ID field. Set Role to Reader and type to anyone. Now, select the Bookoly app and choose the module Split a Video into Scenes. For the video name, map the file name from the first Google Drive module. Paste in the web content link from the second Google Drive module into the video URL. You now have three modes to choose from: Auto, Scene Detection. Bookoly uses AI to detect visual cuts and transitions. Time, Fixed intervals. The video will be split every few seconds, for example, every 5 seconds. Count, number of segments. The video is divided into equal length clips, for example, 3 clips total. To keep things simple, I'll use the auto mode here, which detects natural scene changes using AI. After that, we can fill out 3 more input fields. Min scene duration. This is used to exclude clips that are shorter than the specified value in seconds. It helps avoid creating unnecessary clips from fast transitions or flashes. I set it to 1, so any scenes shorter than 1 second will be excluded. Max scene duration. Similar to min scene duration, but in reverse. It excludes clips longer than the value you provide. Leave this field empty if you want to include all clips, regardless of duration. Scene change sensitivity. This controls how sensitive the scene detection is. Lower values detect more scene changes, higher values detect fewer. The range is from 0.1 to 1. We keep the default value of 0.2, which works great for detecting clean scene cuts automatically. Next, we add the Bookoly module Wait for Video Generation. Map the video ID from the previous step. This pauses the automation until Bookoly has finished splitting the video. Once the split is complete, Bookoly returns an array of video scenes. Each scene contains general information about the scene and an asset object. The asset object includes a URL to the video clip. Add the iterator module next and map the scenes array from the previous module. We use the iterator module to loop through each scene and prepare each clip for download and upload in the next steps. To grab the individual clips, add the HTTP app and choose the module Get a File. Use the asset URL from the current item in the iterator. This will download each scene clip to make.com temporarily. Add another Google Drive module and select Upload a File. Set the destination folder to your Clips folder. Map the file content from the HTTP module Get a File. Once all modules are in place, click Auto Align in make.com to clean up your scenario. Then click Save to store the automation. Let's test it. I'll use a video from this series that contains 3 scenes, so the result should be 3 clips. I'll upload the video into the Videos folder inside Google Drive. Let's take a quick look at the video. It starts with a scene showing a white poodle sitting next to a girl. After that, we see 2 more scenes. each one showing a zoomed-in image. Now head over to make.com and click Run Once to trigger the automation manually. Make will process the video, split it into scenes, and upload the clips to your Clips folder automatically. You can now preview the result by opening your Clips folder in Google Drive. All video scenes will be there as individual files, ready to use. Let's take a look at the clips Bookoly created from this video. As you can see, the first clip contains the part where the white poodle is sitting next to the girl. After that, the two zoomed-in images are shown as individual clips. That's it. You've just automated the process of splitting videos into scenes with bookoly.com and make.com. Whether you use scene detection, time-based cuts, or equal-length segments, this workflow gives you clips that are ready to publish or reuse in your content strategy. In the next video, I'll show you how to clip a specific part of a video by setting the start time and its duration. If this video helped, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to automate their video editing workflow. Thanks for watching.